Hey everybody. So today I want to talk to you about how you can find the replacement visor mirror for your E320 W210 Mercedes cars. So I have a 2001 E320 wagon. It's black exterior with a gray, very light gray interior. And this is what the old mirror looked like. Basically the same, except the cover had broken off. So what I did was I did some research and I found these replacement ones on AliExpress. So this is 2024. You can find them. However, you've got to look for W211, not W210. The W211 ones fit perfectly. And in my case, this is a super light gray version. And make sure you look for the light gray, not the light brown or beige. Those probably work better for cars that tend to have a more brownish interior or a beige interior. Anyways, it's super easy to remove. Watch videos online to figure out how to do it. The light switch is a little bit finicky, but I'm not so worried about that because I don't use the light or even the visor that much. It was just kind of ugly. And make sure when you order these, you order the left and the right version, which will allow you to have the clip on the side with the most real estate or surface area. And looks great. Anyways, good luck searching and fixing your Mercedes. Take care.